Hi guys, so welcome back, and in this video I'm going to talk about something else. Yeah, so in last video we show itself and the cell method. So let's see what we have covered, and then we'll move to the new methods. Okay, so for now we have covered I think we have covered these two: get on property descriptors, get on property names, has on, is extensible, it's sealed, keys, prevent extensions, seal. Okay, now this time I'm just going to talk about frozen, is frozen, how it is, like what is it, and how it is different from this one freeze. Let's talk about freeze and is frozen. So in last video, understand like while sealing, we can make an object property undeletable, so it will not be deletable at all. So that flag is configurable, which I talked about the powers of a property. So the power of being configurable is gets disabled while sealing it. Okay. Now the next thing is like freezing. So by name you can understand like if we freeze something. So for now, let me rephrase this. Now, what will happen if so I want to create some new. So let me create this object. Okay. This object is new, complete. It's not prevented from extension. We can extend it. It is not sealed. It is not frozen. Okay. So now, what is freeze? So before I explain what is frozen, let me check what happens on freeze. So if we add OB here, try to enter, something happened, but we don't see any changes here. So let's try to check the its properties. There might be some change in the its powers as well. So let's check the description of each property here. So in name, if I expand it, we see somehow the writable is false now. In C, it's in sale, we show like the configurable becomes false, but in freeze the configurable became false, as well as writable also became false. So now what it means, like we cannot change the value of it, right? So let me try it. Ov dot name, if I use jack, so I from here it looks like it is replaced, it is modified, but I don't think so. So if I print it again, it will say the old value here. So now if we check object dot is frozen, is frozen, then it will show true. Basically in freeze, what happens is like it stops any modifications, like it cannot allow deletion as well, it cannot allow writing new values to it. All right, so in next video we'll talk about more methods. Thank you for watching.